I don't even think I need to ask this question because I'm going to assume you haven't had any poachers with all of this security.
Yeah, we count ourselves lucky. Yeah, we've been without an incursion for about 9 years. So yeah.
But all because of the
because
success of the security system.
The security system, yes.
So when I went to go visit the rhinos and the bomas, I did notice massive amounts of security and of course, because you have the large population in there. Can you tell me more about that perimeter and how you secure that?
Yeah, so at each of those pens, there are cameras overlapping each other around the perimeter. So it actually creates a perimeter defense system. And it's actually thermal cameras. So they use thermal radiation to detect heat. And then, yeah, whenever there is movement within the frame, it would pop up. Or, yeah, it creates like a bounding box around that specific
almost
object.
Tracks it.
Yes, it tracks it. And it discerns between the shape and size of a human and something big as a vehicle or something like that.
Oh
so,
my goodness.
And then it pops up and obviously you can use the P to Z.
There's a rhino right there. It's
exactly,
tracking.
Yeah, it's tracking.
So what about law enforcement? How much of a role do they play in your security?
So in South Africa, where we're in a rural area, the SAPs, the South African Police Services, they have very limited resources. So we are actually, as rangers, the first line of defense because they might, it's going to be a while until they get to a scene. Yeah.
Right, so it's more about protecting yourselves first before police can come
Yes,
and
that's
get
correct.
you. So I would assume it takes the police a pretty long time
Yes, it does.
to get to you if there was a problem. So
Yeah.
you could have a massive problem if you just relied on the police themselves, correct?
Yes.
I'm not going to see them go extinct while I'm alive.